And as Bill just said, it's northeast Nebraska that might rack up the most inches.
And Burt County's already preparing for a long day tomorrow to make sure their residents won't be buried. KATV News Watch 7's Josh Cristiano gives us a look at their plans.
In Burt County, weathering a snowstorm takes preparation and watchful eyes.
We got the plows on the trucks, all the salt and sanders are in, make sure everything works. Like all the blades are all ready to go and wait for the snow.
Wednesday's snowstorm is expected to be a big one. Burt County snowplowers already have their color-coordinated assignments on the wall. First up, once the snow stops falling, 65 miles of major Blacktop County roads.
That's where everybody goes to, and like I said, we just kind of branch off from those and go from there.
County workers work 10 to 12 hours non-stop to get all the snow off the roads so that drivers can get around. If it gets bad enough, Tekamah Herman School says they may do a half-day or cancel classes altogether Wednesday. They'll post the decision on the district website and contact parents. Burt County's emergency manager tells me they're at full strength for law enforcement and fire rescue, but he's most concerned about drivers getting stuck out there.
If it gets nasty out, you don't have to travel. Don't. That's the issue. And take well-planned routes, because what's happening is people are getting off the beaten path, and it takes a while to find them.
If you do have to travel, make sure to bring water, blankets, and a working cell phone in your car. Let people know where you're going to. Above all, stay smart and stay informed.
Because conditions can change very, very quickly for the worse, and you need to stay on top of that.
Reporting in Tekamah, Josh Cristiano, KATV News Watch 7.